Hey guys, this is homework 1.7. So I have programmed some even more matrix functions. So first, here I have a class that I made. It's called mat, which is short for matrix, and in it I put the code for my inverse matrix that I copy and pasted from 1.6. Um, let's see here. I don't know if I remember to say, but this is Lucas Does Programming, and this is 1.7, not 1.8, which I called it here on accident. So that's a public class, and that just shows that I understand how classes work. So we're going to go over here. And so I also have a try catch statement, just in case there are any errors or something. So here I have try, I have everything in the try, and if any exception happens, it'll print out error exclamation mark. So there we go. Let's see what happens, actually, if I put something that won't work here. It's going to print out error. Oh, actually, that might not be how it works. Oops. Whatever. It doesn't. No, never mind. Forget that. So, here I have code that will multiply a 3 by 4 matrix by a 4 by 3 matrix, and the product will be a 3 by 3 matrix. And you can see here that this one's a 3 by 4 and the one and a 4 by 3. If you want to take the time to look at it, so I multiply them together, and there we go. My product is a 3 by 3 matrix. So let's see here. I also have my inverse function from the matrix class, and if you look for it, you can see that I actually call mat.inverse, and that happens somewhere. That happens here. I swear it does. Oh, wait, that is a, yeah, here we go, right here. On line 40, if you see here, I called mat.inverse of matrix 4, which is defined over here, and I set matrix 5 to equal that. Let's see what else I need. So, I have x1 equals a times inverse a, which is going to be the identity matrix. I have x2 equals inverse a times a, which will also be the identity matrix. I have y1 equals a times b, and I have y2 equals inverse a times y1, and I have y3 equals 8y2 minus b. So if you want to watch, there we go. So matrix P, matrix Q, M equals PQ. I have matrix A, I have its inverse. I multiply the two matrices together to get the identity matrix. I defined a random matrix B, and then I did all the functions here, and I ended up with a 0 matrix, which I'm guessing was the point of this. There we go. That is homework 1.7. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and goodbye.